Hello children, welcome to the science class. Let us quickly learn today what are the different types of feet and claws of birds. Climbing birds such as woodpecker have very strong claws. The two toes are in upward direction and two toes are in downward direction. So all these four toes are able to help out the woodpecker while digging up holes in the tree trunk to have a strong grip on the trees. So these two toes in the upward direction of a woodpecker and two toes in the downward direction help out a woodpecker to hold on to the tree trunk firmly. Ducks are great swimmers. They are water birds. Their feet is completely different from other birds which live on the land or on trees. They have a special paddled feet which we call as a webbed feet, which helps them to wade in water or swim and move forward in water. In these swimming birds, skin joins their toes. This makes their feet like paddles. Here you can see their toes are joined with this skin. Okay, so in front they have three toes and one small toe at the back. This looks like a web, so we call it a webbed feet. And because of this skin only, they are able to swim in the water. Wading birds like cranes and storks have long thin legs with wide spreading toes, which are helpful to walk in shallow water. These birds live near water bodies like lakes, rivers, reservoirs, dams, so that they are able to fish from these shallow water bodies. And here in this video, you can see clearly how nicely they are able to stand still in water and they're able to walk and find the food in water. Hens and roosters are scratching birds. They scratch the ground in search of insects and worms in the soil. Look at the bird, how it is scratching the ground continuously to find the food. Roosters and hens have very strong legs and three toes in the front and a small toe at the back. They use it to scratch the ground to find insects and worms and eat them. Claws of eagles are very big and huge in size. Also, they have very sharp and curved claws. If you see here, the eagle before hunting, while moving towards its prey, opens up its sharp claws and quickly is able to catch the prey by using its claws. These sharp claws help them to catch the animal firmly and fly away. I am going to share with you an amazing fact, children, about this harpy eagle. Harpy eagles are mainly found in Brazil and Philippines, and they live in the mountain forests. The birds, although look small in this video, but as you can see, the chick looks a little bigger than the normal chicks of other eagles which we have seen up till now. The father brings meal to the family, and these eagles hunt on monkeys mainly. So their diet includes monkeys. And the chick is only 4 weeks old here. They are looking small in the video, but this is the actual size of a harpy eagle. How majestic this bird is. Children, I have shared an amazing fact about harpy eagle with you all. Now it's your turn to share with me and all your science teachers one amazing fact about one bird. And I'm going to give you the clues. Observe the legs and claws and feet. Observe the claws of this bird. Clue number 1. This bird is flightless and it's a running bird. Another clue is it is the largest bird on planet Earth. Looking at the claws, research more about it and find out the name of this bird. As you can see, the claw, it has only 2 toes. 1 and 2. Only 1 toe has a claw. Find out about it and share it on our WhatsApp numbers. Have a great day.